Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add a shopping cart to your Wix website. This is essential if you want to sell products and give your customers a smooth checkout experience. Let's get started. On your Wix editing dashboard, all we need to do is click Add Elements. Then scroll down to Store. Here we can see the cart icons and cart buttons. We can choose whichever option we prefer. It's free. If we want to add the cart icon, we simply drag this one onto the page. As we can see, the cart icon appears. We can place it anywhere we like. We can also add the Add to Cart button to our store. We can also add a product so that our products have cart buttons. Just drag this onto our Wix website. And that's how we add a shopping cart to Wix. With this simple setup, our website can become a fully functional online store.